Good morning. So it is Monday and Winter Storm Beth has come. I'll kind of post a little news article or something here to kind of show you what exactly they think is going on. But I need to go outside. I need to go outside and shovel as soon as I can. Well, I'm gonna get up and bundle up and everything. But I don't even know. I'm gonna check to see how many inches we got so far. But my mom shoveled, and then there's like super bad winds, and it's supposed to feel like -30 something outside and all that. But you can kind of tell where the road is only because the car is on it. But you can't tell where there's no sidewalks. Like there is a step right here and you can't even tell. And it's just crazy. And it's supposed to snow, I want to say, into tomorrow. And schools are closed. There's a bunch of businesses closed. But, of course, my job is not closed. And I swear to God, if my manager is not there, I want to go home. Like, if manager can't get in, obviously, I shouldn't. And I've got to walk, too. So that's going to be no fun. But, yeah, let me bundle up and we'll go shovel. So it is like almost 11:20 and I'm just now getting the courage to go outside and shovel. So I'm gonna shovel, and there was somebody here shoveling. I don't know who, but we gonna find out. An awesome neighbor or something, who knows. Yay, so my mom's friend lives next door and her friends came over to shovel her out, and they've got like an ATV plow thing. So they're doing ours too. Yay, because ours is like so much higher than theirs because of the way the wind blows and stuff. So yeah, he's out here getting her done. And the plow came through today. Well, it came through like twice or something like that, but here, can't even see with the window. That's him, and then his son's shoveling too, so I'm going back in the covers. Awesome. I'll have to text my mom and let her know her friend Angelina sent them over to shovel, or plow, however you would say it. But awesome, that means that I don't have to do shiznit. But I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna walk to work. Am I just gonna wear regular clothes and just layer up and then change it to my uniform when I get there? That sounds like the better idea. So, and it is whipping out there. Like, I was talking to my mom's friend through her window, because one of her windows is by our garage and I was by the garage. And I was talking to her and it was just blowing right into my face the whole time. But yeah, I'm gonna find myself some lunch and text my mom. So I know this vlog is gonna be super freaking short. It is 12:20 and I'm gonna get ready to start walking to work early, just in case it might take me 10 times longer. But there's already like 2 to 3 inches since that guy plowed and shoveled on the ground. And that was like an hour ago. Oh jeez, as I try to choke on air. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm so excited because Wednesday I have off and I'm so freaking excited. So excited. Like, I liked working 3 days. No, what was it? 3 days on, 3 days off, 3 days on, 3 days off. That was perfect. But now I'm like 5 days on, 2 days off, and I'm like, kill me now. And everybody, it was crazy because our store was like super, super, super busy yesterday. And everybody's like freaking out about the snowstorm. For one, this is Wisconsin. It snows. It's not called the frozen tundra for nothing. And don't mind the stickers back there. This used to be my little sister's old room. and they've never been taken down, and they're like basically stuck to the wall now because they've been on there for 10 plus years. But yeah, everybody freaking out and just people acting like assholes. Like, calm yourself. This is Wisconsin. It's not called the frozen tundra for nothing, and you choose to live here. So don't freak out about the snow, because it's inevitable, because it's Wisconsin. It snows like 10 months out of the whole year, okay? Like, this is everybody freaking out like this is something new. What? But yeah, I mean, cold weather is not fun, and this happened the last time I was here where it was like all negatives in a whole week. It was like senior year of high school, like 6 years ago. So it happens. It's nothing new. It happens. And just everybody here freaking out and then want to drive but then can't drive and end up getting like stuck and all that stuff. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get ready. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the next vlog. Bye.